Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to recover your my eyes only deleted photos or pictures, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Snapchat app here and tap on your profile option in the top left corner and then select the settings or the gear icon in the top right corner. And here just scroll down and you will find the option of my data. You just have to tap on this and here just wait for the loading and then you have to select export your memories. If you want to get any more data or download any more data from your Snapchat, so you can also include them, but in your memories you'll get your miles only photos. We just have to tap on request only memories. Here select your time. I'm going to select all time so it will recover all deleted my eyes only photos or memories. So select all time from here and then select this submit option here, and here you have to wait for almost 1 hour or 1 day. So it might basically it's requesting to Snapchat to download your data from your Snapchat server, and once this export progress will be completed you will get a mail onto your mail account or on the mail in which your account is associated, and after that you can easily download your files from here. Still you'll get the download option. You must have to tap on download option and your files or your photos will be downloaded and you'll get it into your files app. So in this way you can easily recover all of your my eyes only deleted photos on your Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.